Hi, my name is Jomi George. I'm working as a 3D visualizer for more than 12 years. I've been trying to learn Unreal Engine for ArcViz for quite a lot of time. And I have tried my luck with many courses online, forums, and on YouTube. Most of them were video tutorials, and none of them worked for me because after learning for some time, whenever I get some issues, there was no way to clear them and I got no support. And I had to research my own, and often it would end up wrong methods, and eventually I would give up. Then I found SUNIL from 3D Artists from YouTube and watched some of his tutorials. And I was somehow impressed with the quality of his work and tutorials. So I decided to join his Unreal Engine Epic GPU Light Masterclass, and I have done the course. Now I am so happy to say that I have found the right tutor and mentor finally. From my experience, I can say that he is the best tutor in Unreal Engine for ArcViz because he has immense knowledge and experience in this field, which I believe nobody else can match. Initially, I was skeptical that this would work for me, but it was way beyond my expectations. He has the right mix of knowledge and teaching skills, which we can blindly trust on. And he explains well, and the course is very comprehensive and systematic. The best thing is, we will be doing a project from day one of the course under his guidance, and we will be rewarded with a great visual output. And this will give tremendous confidence on Unreal Engine learning. Apart from that, he is a great mentor too. So whenever I have some issues to clarify, he would happily attend me at once and clear it. So if you want to be a real professional for Unreal for ArcViz, I highly recommend this course rather than wasting time and money on other courses. It will be really worth. I extend my sincere thanks to SUNIL for this wonderful learning experience.